Jack Smith, the special counsel overseeing investigations into Donald Trump, has been at the center of public and political attention, with recent reports suggesting that his work is entering its final stages. According to insiders, Smith is winding down his investigations and prosecutions related to Trump, move that aligns with the political reality that Trump, if reelected, has promised to dismiss him immediately upon taking office. By preparing for the conclusion of his investigations now, Smith appears to be strategizing to stay ahead of any attempts by Trump to obstruct the legal process. However, this is far from the end of the story, as Smith is reportedly preparing a detailed special counsel report that could significantly impact the narrative around Trump's legal troubles. This forthcoming report, according to sources familiar with the matter, will comprehensively document the evidence Smith has gathered during his investigations. A similar scope to the Mueller report, which laid bare Trump's ties to Russian interference in the 2016 election. Smith's report is expected to provide a thorough account of Trump's alleged criminal activities. The report is anticipated to cover not only the charges already brought against Trump, but also evidence that may not yet have been revealed to the public. While the court filings have given a glimpse into the breadth of Smith's investigations, they represent only a fraction of the evidence collected, according to legal analysts. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. One of the key cases under Smith's purview involves Trump's handling of classified documents. Trump has been indicted for unlawfully retaining sensitive national security materials, defying a grand jury subpoena, and obstructing justice by refusing to return these documents when ordered to do so. The case, prosecuted under the Espionage Act, underscores the gravity of Trump's alleged actions and the potential risk posed to national security. This case is currently on appeal, but it represents a significant aspect of the legal challenges Trump faces. In addition to the classified documents case, Smith is also leading the prosecution related to Trump's alleged efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. This includes charges tied to Trump's role in inciting the January 6th Capitol attack, an unprecedented attempt to disrupt the certification of Joe Biden's election victory. These cases, among the most consequential in U.S. history, aim to address Trump's actions as potential violations of federal law. As Smith prepares to release his findings, the urgency of doing so under the current administration cannot be overstated. Legal experts warn that any report not made public before a possible change in administration risks being suppressed or manipulated. The memory of how Attorney General Bill Barr presented the Mueller report in a manner that many critics claimed misrepresented its findings looms large over this process. Current Attorney General Merrick Garland has pledged to release any special counsel report issued under his watch, offering some hope that the American public will have access to Smith's comprehensive findings. Smith himself faces challenges that extend beyond his work as special counsel. Trump's rhetoric about vengeance and retribution against political enemies has fueled speculation about potential retaliatory actions against Smith. While Smith's legal position is secure, he was lawfully appointed and acted within the bounds of the law. Trump's history of weaponizing the Department of Justice against perceived adversaries is cause for concern. During his first term, Trump pressured the DOJ to investigate figures like former FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe, a movie widely criticized as baseless and politically motivated. If Trump attempts similar actions against Smith, it could be another chapter in his contentious relationship with the rule of law. The federal judiciary is likely to act as a bulwark against any unlawful actions by Trump. Federal judges, including many appointed by Trump, have consistently ruled against efforts that contravene the Constitution or abuse executive power. While Trump's threats against political opponents, including state prosecutors like Letitia James, have been alarming, legal experts argue that such rhetoric only strengthens the defense against any retaliatory prosecution attempts. Judges, particularly those in federal trial courts, are expected to uphold the rule of law, even in the face of political pressure. Smith's long-term prospects remain uncertain before his appointment as special counsel. Smith worked as a prosecutor at the International Criminal Court, ICAC, pursuing war criminals and addressing atrocities such as genocide and crimes against humanity. While his experience at the ICC underscores his commitment to justice, the United States' refusal to join the ICC limits its jurisdiction over American actions. Even if Smith were to return to the ICC, he would lack the authority to pursue cases against Trump or other U.S. officials unless the U.S. joined the Rome Statute, move unlikely to occur under a Trump administration. As the situation develops, much hinges on Smith's decisions in the coming months. His forthcoming report could provide a definitive account of Trump's alleged crimes, offering a roadmap for accountability, even if immediate prosecution becomes politically untenable. If Trump's administration moves to dismiss ongoing cases, it may preserve the evidence for future justice under a different administration. For now, Smith's legacy and the integrity of his investigations remain critical to the broader pursuit of justice and the preservation of democratic principles. Observers will be watching closely as these historic legal battles unfold. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.